Good morning, traders. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci software that give you precise entry, stop, and targets. You understand extremely well that the long trade that played out pre-market open currently reached critical key target. What else does the intelligent trader understand? That if institutions buy, you do not sell the market. Every single short against institutions. And for that reason, it's a crawl to the downside, it's a pain, with extremely low volume. But when institutions buy, you buy with vengeance. This is software projected on 5-minute chart, trades played out on multiple other charts. So when you trade with NinjaTrader 8, software for NinjaTrader 8, this is how scanner give you alert. And of course, you can replace with Dow, with Nasdaq, with oil, with gold, with any instrument you choose to day trade. So right now, price reached critical key, Alpha Fibonacci bold red zone. Intelligent trader understands every short against institutions, but there is no other option. This is the only option because word RZ with a bold red zone means exit your long. RZ, reversal zone. So here comes the reversal. An intelligent trader understands this is a gift if price collapses here. And if institutions keep buying, you keep looking to buy. So if I convert this chart to 1, this is a picture perfect example of simplicity of the software. You knew this far in advance. Not the place to buy, the place to exit your long and to obey the rules. If price will remain stuck in junk in chop, intelligent trader will have zero interest touching this. Multi-billion-dollar machine is long. This is retail weak pullback. There is no other option. This is the only option. This morning at the market open. This is a pulse since yesterday morning. This is a pulse that signified ultimate retail chop. This is a pulse that confirmed and reminded you. Do not short into retail black wall, as pullback remains extremely weak. And how viciously market was bought in European session is a stunning reminder. Institutions remain long, and you knew this far in advance. Powerful pullback is the only good thing that will play out in this market. So, when the scanner gives you red alert, this is the only option. Use your limitless, breathtaking brain. Again, you knew this before market open. Price at the bold red zone, well before the open. Short is counter trend, the only option, as discussed with students pre-market. Ideally, price collapses here. That's it. And that's strategic, intelligent chess. It's a beautiful thing when you stop stressing out and start trading markets strategically. All the pain, all the stress goes away. Market becomes precise Alpha Fibonacci chess with precise entry, stop and target to the upside and to the downside. So every single day Alpha Fibonacci trader prepares very, very well. This is institutional hold in front of you now. Sell-off and crash is a beautiful thing. And that's what we discussed with students pre-market. So intelligent trader right now testing this level to the downside. Response from institutions is crucial, critical, key part. This is simplicity of the system and the software. If you can drive, if you can stay in your lane, you can trade with Alpha Fibonacci software for NinjaTrader 8. You know all of this before it plays out. So as I'm monitoring price extremely carefully, let's review the events of the last few weeks. This is a market on October 27th. Global war is getting worse, but intelligent trader very well prepared. This is not the place to short. This is a place to monitor for long. Market oversold reaches Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Do you like to buy the bottom and sell the top? If the answer is yes, you are very well prepared. War is getting worse and worse and worse by the second, by the minute, market skyrocketing. A week later, bullish rally reaches critical key Alpha Fibonacci break wall. Institutional traders, hundreds of points in profit. So if you want to trade as Warren Buffett does, you are greedy when others are fearful. You are not shorting into institutional buy point. You are not trading on noise, on panic, on hype. You understand extremely well where institutions buy, you buy. And that's the events with spectacular bullish rally despite catastrophic global events. Top 1% loves taking advantage of the global crisis, of panic, of negativity. And that's a lesson you should never, ever, ever forget. So if institutions step in and buy again at this retail buy point, institutional rally remains intact. This is retail. This is stunning precision again and again and again. With Alpha Fibonacci software for Ninja Trader 8. But no software is required. There is no software on this chart. This is overextended institutional rally with retail profit taking. So this is the level we're monitoring carefully. This is a post from yesterday morning. This is overextended institutional rally that's stuck in chop. So if I convert this chart to 5, to 10, to any chart you choose to trade, you understand how important this level is. Hours and days in advance. That's it. No software on this chart. Software here. Traders choose to trade with software or not. You can trade the system on all instruments, all timeframes, all platforms. In the trading, you witness system and software instantly. So again, 43.70 this morning is a crucial key level. As institutional rally reached, retail brick wall, an institutional brick wall. This is a junky chop. This is overextended rally that can be stuck at this level for days. This is the most important moment in your trading, how to trade overextended institutional holds. How to trade weakness will define your success forever. Institutions on sidelines. Institutions holding longs this morning. Until we see institutional crash, intelligent trader looks to buy the pullback. This is your key institutional level. Third day in a row, price is stuck. So no one should
December 2021. Buying Amazon is not a catastrophic sell-off on Amazon. Not the place to buy into. You know this in advance. Short sell-off is on.
You will never ever
Here's Bitcoin on January 1st. Catastrophic collapse is on.
Take a trade.
Here's gold.
That's simple.
Gold in free fall.
Remain on sideline.
You're not buying Apple at this level.
Rally
With the power of the system, you know this far in advance.
Single trade
Euro reached reversal zone.
You know, I say it's over 90%, but it's probably higher than that, 95%. Thank you for the instruction. Thank you for caring.
And again
Thank
and
you for
again
the
and
things that
again,
you
the
do,
price is
you know,
skyrocketing. Do not
for
forget.
your attendees in
Market
your class.
extremely high.
I'm very analytical. I have
Every
never
single
come
long
across
at
a
this
more
level,
objective roadmap,
extremely
a clearer
aggressive.
roadmap,
We
where
agree?
you can pretty much look at a chart and make a
Yes.
decision, make a snap decision within seconds as to
Price
whether or
is
not
high.
one should
Bullish
engage in
rally
a trade or not.
overextended.
The system
That's
is
how you
just
trade with
fantastic.
Alpha
So
Fibonacci
currently,
software
this
for
month in
Ninja
July, I've
Trader
got
8.
514 points. I
Trades
trade
on
down
multiple charts,
and
projecting
keep an eye
software
on
in 1
gold
minute
and
chart.
Nasdaq, and I find the system
So if you
is
can
just
stay in your
really
lane,
easy to
if you can
understand.
drive,
It's
you can
far
trade.
better than listening to my
Price
economics
extremely
teacher.
high. It's a
Thank
pro.
you very much.
For all the
I'm up
reasons we
to
discussed.
80%, mid 80s,
Market
win-loss
extremely
ratio.
high.
She taught me
Institutional
exact
traders
entries,
adding to
targets,
their loans.
stops. I can't say
Pure
enough
principle.
to promote this young lady
Extremely
and her
important to
extreme
them.
passion for teaching.
When you
Thank
buy
you,
market
Allah.
this high and you're trading as aggressive trader, you are scaling out from your position, you're protecting your profits. Agree? On aggressive trade, this level is key. Speculation and trading should never, ever be an option. Trading with precise entry, stop and target is key.
You master
In the
this,
course
you
learn
can
to
trade
respect and obey. This is a
anything.
crucial target. When you're trading aggressively, bold pink line is key. So if you're walking away with 2 points on this long, on a single lot, $100, you remain consistent, you trade with the rules. By the end of the year, you trade 10 lots. You are adding 1 lot per month. It's no longer $100, it's $1,000. By the end of 2 years, you're trading 20 lots. And if you choose to learn so much more, that option always available to you. As I keep developing more systems, more strategies, and more you understand and more you trade with advanced Alpha Fibonacci strategies, less time you spend in front of the screen. And that's ultimate precision during extremely aggressive market conditions. So again, in the current markets, this is the only option. It's extremely aggressive and very dangerous crawl. So when you strategize and you understand to buy the bottom versus the top is entirely different market, you trade with ultimate precision. You understand where to exit your trade. You do not speculate. You do not gamble with your money. No random targets, no random stops, no random entries here. Only rule-based, precise entries, stop and target. So when Brett came to the course almost 4 years ago, he made serious effort. He learned the course strategy and then he said, I want to learn everything you will ever develop. He added my latest strategies. He's done multiple bootcamps. He wants to trade in all market conditions. This is October performance on S&P E-Mini Future by a trader who struggled for the previous 20 years, making $10 an hour. Not anymore. Trading all market conditions with confidence, with power. Alpha Fibonacci core trading system is all you ever need. But if you want to spend less time in front of the screen, if you want to trade in all market conditions with precision, adding other systems and strategies is always available to graduate of the course. It is never, ever a requirement. It is optional, as I will always build new systems. And that's the reason I live and breathe what I do. You and Fib Institute have given me tools and support for the first time in my trading career to be a successful trader. There is no limit to how much I can teach you to trade markets strategically. This is the most intelligent method and approach. All I have to do is follow the rules. Fibonacci is my latest trading system. It's the ultimate bulletproof system available to graduates of the course. So when you add Fibonacci OP as the ultimate bulletproof system, you spend less time in front of the screen. And you have multiple trading opportunities again and again and again. It never gets old, I promise. More time I spend with financial markets, more I understand, more I develop, more I see. And that's what I teach with my students. And when I say no to Goldman Sachs, for that exact same reason. Freedom is priceless. Obey the rules and the sky's the limit. Choice is yours, what chart and instrument you choose to trade. So please pay attention, this is strategic intelligent chess. This is crucial key target. If you're trading multiple lots, you have opportunity to scale out. In the course you learn what identifies key targets. In the course you learn critical key rules. We knew far in advance this is not the place to short. We knew far in advance this is a place to monitor for long. Rules are met, take a trade. Pure and simple. Aggressive longs at overextended rallies. Projected on 1 minute chart with software for Ninja Trader 8 in the live markets. So if you're done gambling and done speculating, I look forward to working with you. I teach you identical system I taught two JP Morgan traders who left JP Morgan and launched their own fund.
Fibonacci,
On
the
the
golden
homepage
ratio,
you
was
can view the
discovered by
video
Leonardo Pizarro
about Fibonacci Trading Institute celebrating 13 years as I continue refusing working for financial institutions as I live and breathe what I do. So on the homepage you can see this movie that student made about Fibonacci Trading Institute. You can view all the details and you can see if this trade is
Fibonacci, the
good,
golden
so
ratio,
could
was
you.
discovered by Leonardo
This is
Pizarro in the
proprietary
13th
system
century.
with
An
precise
exact
entry
same
stop
patterns
and target.
repeat in
With
financial
Ninja
markets.
Trader 8,
Paula
Ninja
Peters,
Trader
founder
8
of
software
Fibonacci Trading
with
Institute
multi-market
and Alpha
scanner, group or
Fibonacci
metric
method.
classes.
Alpha
Like
Fibonacci
trading video
retracement
library,
tool
might just
identifies
include in
trend
every
reversal
option.
areas days,
System
weeks,
trading
months
on
and
Wall
years
Street
in advance,
by retail
which
traders
will
as
override
well. System
all
traded by
indicators.
institutions, by
And when
hedge
price
funds.
comes
Bosses
to
bringing their sons, husbands
Fibonacci
bringing their
reversal
wives,
zone,
friends
market
bringing their
will
friends
collapse
to the
no
course.
matter what
So
the
please, view students'
fundamentals
reviews,
or
listen to students'
earnings
podcasts,
are,
view
all
students' emails,
identified
I
in
receive.
advance.
I have
Here's
tens of
December
thousands of
2021.
emails.
Buying
I
Amazon
cannot
is not a
upload
brilliant
all of the
move.
emails to
Get
the
us
website,
traffic
but
sell-off
when you
on
click and you see those very few emails, you understand. You can trade Forex, absolutely. You can trade options, of course you can. Because when you trade pure price, you can trade any instrument, any time frame, any platform. If mom with two little babies on her arms can trade NASDAQ, anyone can trade. Her husband Emmanuel brought Jennifer to the course. So please choose the option appropriate for you. This is it. Agree?
Fibonacci, the
Private
golden
matching
ratio, was
is what Brad
discovered by
has
Leonardo
done with
Pizarro in
savings
the 13th century.
$8,000.
An exact same
Again
pattern
and again and
repeat
again.
in
Why private
financial
matching the
markets.
most desirable
Paula Peters,
option?
founder of Fibonacci Trading
Because I
Institute
hold
and
your
Alpha
hand in the
Fibonacci
process.
method.
I test
Alpha
you, I
Fibonacci
quiz you.
retracement tool
I keep you
identifies
accountable.
trend
I give you
reversal
homework,
areas
and
days,
I
weeks,
make
months
you
and
see
years in
clearly
advance, which
if
will
day trading
override
is for you
all
or not.
indicators.
If not,
And when price
trade
comes
system
to
long-term, as traders
Fibonacci
do
reversal
globally.
zone,
When institutions
market
trade
will
Alpha Fibonacci
collapse no
system,
matter
they do
what the
not day trade.
fundamentals
They
or
use
earnings
system
are,
long-term.
all
As in the course,
identified
you learn
in
both
advance.
day trading
Here's December
and long-term
2021.
strategy.
Buying
In live
Amazon
classes,
is
I
not a
review
brilliant
both
move. Catastrophic sell-off on Amazon.
You see how
Not
you
a
can
place
spend
to buy.
5 minutes per month
You know
per
this
week in
in
front of the chart.
advance.
Trading, the
Short.
system, no software
Sell-off is
required.
on.
On stocks,
Here's
on
Bitcoin
mutual
on
funds, on
January
ETFs,
1st.
on commodities,
Catastrophic
on all
collapse
time
is on.
frames. If private
Here's
mentoring
gold.
is not appropriate for you,
Golden free fall.
use group course.
You're not buying Apple at this level.
$5,000. Any
With the power of
questions
the
for
system,
me?
you know
Do
this
not
far in
hesitate to
advance.
contact me.
Euro reached
925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you traders so much for spectacular morning. As Price reminded you, only when you trade with precision, with Alpha Fibonacci rules, during the most difficult market conditions, you can remain consistent, you can remain profitable. All you have to do, obey the rules and make an effort. And the skies are the limit.